Hello audience, welcome to new another video. Today I gonna show you how to add car modes in Bus Simulator Indonesia. Okay, let's start. Follow my all steps. At first, click your mode option. Now click download mode BUSSID. Select your car. Now click download. Now click mode file. Now click download again. Now download complete. Go back game. Now click import. Now click drive gallery. Now select your download file. Now click free. Now import your car. Now click to garage. Now change your car. Now click use. Now gameplay. Then change your car. Now gameplay. Your car change. By doing process, you can successfully Bus Simulator Indonesian car. Thank you for my watching. Now subscribe my YouTube channel.